Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of God, the most gracious, the most merciful. Today we will explain how to enable monetization on YouTube channel. Uh, there is a step-by-step process is there. I created one channel, that is I have channel name is there, that is already verified, and there is the enable button. I press the enable button, then start button, press start button. See, this problem is coming, white screen. Then in this here you have to change a little bit the country selection one or two time, then refresh the page. I'm just checking the country now, United States Arab Emirates. I selected this one, again problem coming. I refresh the screen now. I refresh the screen, then I click the start button. Now it started. Now this next process is terms and condition. I selected the terms and condition. After selecting this one, then your first process is finished. Second process, we will go to monetization, this AdSense account. This will divert my account to Google AdSense account. I will click this option. It's asking about me the YouTube channel, that I have YouTube channel, that is I'm just pressing the button, then going to the Google account and making no I don't want this one. Then selecting the country, I selected the country. Then this terms and condition coming again, then selection button is there. I click this button. Now this AdSense account is login to AdSense account, and basic information is getting from user. Provide the brief introduction. I'm just hiding this all my personal details. Here you will provide your personal details and fill everything whatever Google asking about to you. This is the basically all these information should be correct. Your name, your area, your phone, your email. On the basis of these information, when your monetization is fulfill your requirement, then Google will send some money, dollars, cents, whatever, on this address. That's why this phone number and your email address and address should be valid, because Google normally sending by courier to this address to verify the this one non-selected. Okay, now is going to back YouTube account. This second process is finished. I have two steps finished there. Now third step, I'm just clicking the third step. See, very informations are there. AdSense account is registered. Then I'm just, that is different information. Now I'm just going back to my main account setting. That is the third process. I'm just clicking the start button on third process. After this default setting you have to enable for the ad view. This is also third step, also verified. No, fourth step is there's a subscriber, 1000 subscriber and 4000 views. You have to complete this process. After finishing this process, after fulfill this fourth requirement, your proper YouTube channel, they will provide, they will share, they will start ad on your videos. But make sure that your videos, your stuff and your songs, music, background music, images, pictures, whatever, it should be copyright is very important on the YouTube. Google, they're very minutely checking all these item and stuffs. So please carefully, when you're uploading something, don't use any copyright illegal piracy and copyright issues are there. There's so many. That's why arrange your own stuff and maximum use. There are background musics in the YouTube channel also. There you can use that background music channels. So this my account almost is ready. No, there is one process is coming for the approval process from YouTube AdSense account. This is now my approval process. I'm just waiting for that. It will take some time, and if on the basis of my accurate address, you know it will be approved. And I'm just waiting. This is the basic steps to enable your AdSense account with YouTube to start your monetization process. In this way, everybody can check monetization process. So thank you so much watching this channel, and my channel is Abdul Fanzon. You please subscribe and like and press the bell icon for new upcoming videos. Thank you so much watching this.